Argentina. Big earthquake today. Minor mag. 3.9, earthquake, Departamento de Susques, 178 kilometers west of Jujuy, Departamento de Dr. Manuel, Belgrano, Jujuy, Argentina, on January 8, 2021 0:35 and 31 seconds 8 hours ago. Date and amp. Time, August 1, 2021, 3:35 and 31 seconds UTC, 8 hours ago. Local time at epicenter, January 8, 2021 0:35 and 31 seconds. Magnitude, 3.9, depth, 221.0 kilometers. Epicenter latitude/longitude, 23.65 degrees S/66.94 degrees W. Departamento de Susques, Jujuy, Argentina. Nearest volcano, Cordon de Puntas Negras, 61 kilometers/38 miles.